So you've got 4 screws here, 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 and then you have a warranty seal right here that you have to peel off. Then you've got a screw down here, and 2 screws at the top. Then you remove the faceplate. I usually start at the bottom, lift up a little bit. Side trim, you can just kind of stick a tool in there and kind of just twist. And there's a clip on the side, right in this spot right here. Some faceplates are going to be a bit more stuck on than others. He's going to peel up, push the right buttons down, kind of lift up starting from the left, and kind of slowly peel. Then all you have to do is there's a clip right here. You push to the right. You just have the wedge between the black and like the silverish. Kind of lift up with putting like a fingernail underneath like the home bar area. Lift up, kind of shift it to the left. Unlatch it, and come off. And there are 2 points like right here and right around here that are kind of hold the screen up. So hold your finger like right here, stick your tool right in between, kind of like twist, kind of start to come up. And then the point down here is the harder one. So you just be extra careful and just slowly work it up. We're trying to make sure you get it right in between. Then you just basically just slightly lift up and kind of shift it to the right a little bit, like that. Lift up. Then if you do want to take the screen off, you can either take the screen off to replace the right flex, or you can kind of just let it sit like that, which might be easier if you don't want to have to deal with potentially damaging the pins. But if you're not used to doing this, I'd suggest just doing this instead. Then you just have to screw this part off. Slide the R button out. Unscrew the power switch if there is a screw there. Then you kind of just lift it up. Then you can disconnect the flex cable. Lift up the tab that connects the right flex. Kind of pull it out. Kind of get under there, then just peel it up. When you do put it back on, usually I start with kind of snaking it underneath. And then line it up for this hole here, and then there's one more hole up here that you just connect. And then get the R button positioned, and again lay it flat. And then connect the power switch and do everything in reverse, putting it all back together.